So again, I'm about to show y'all how to fix a Xbox 360 mic. This is currently my 17th Xbox mic I probably had since I first bought my Xbox a couple years ago. This one my dog chewed up when I was at school. Came home, found out. Was kind of mad. Good thing she's not here right now. She's in the kennel. First thing we'll do is get your wires. Make sure they're all together and everything. And then you just want to try to put this piece on before you do anything. I'll put the camera down real quick. Alright, now that that's done, put the speaker itself on top of that like that. You should hear it click. Put that together. Well, I'll do that later, forget that. Put your wires like this. And then the most important part is put in the sink. Because who cares about Xbox 360 mics? They're cheap. So I ordered me some Turtle Beaches. Turn your water on. Put a little air freshener in there. A little cocoa butter. Stupid Xbox 360 mic spent $2,000 on you. You don't want to work. So I ordered some Turtle Beaches. You want to stir it all up like that. Drain it. Yeah, stupid Xbox 360 mic costing me how much of money? Just get out of here. Yes. Stupid crap. Then you wanna throw it out your window like that. Stupid Xbox.